Palma in the Canary Islands. I'm so excited to be here. For a bit of context, we are staying in a little town called Los Llanos, which was where my mother was born. So my mum is from La Palma in the Canary Islands. She moved over to the UK when she was younger, like a child, but this is where she's from and born, so we're trying to make a bit of a tradition of coming back here more often. So this is my second time here in 2 years. I'm so happy to be back. I love this place so much. So like I did in my previous video, I thought I'd take you guys along with me. This is going to be a three-parter. I'm going to try and make it a three-parter, and I'm just trying to upload 3 different videos with what we get up to each day. But this morning we are going on a dolphin watching tour with ocean explorers down at Tazacorte. And we did this last time we were here and it was amazing, so much fun. You get to see like a real overview of the island, and I brought my fiance here for the first time and gonna get him to see the island. So I think it's a great like introduction for our first day here. You get to do like a boat tour at the bottom of the island, see the volcano, see the Caldera, and see this like little bay, which is where my mum used to play when she was younger, and it's like all these fishermen houses. But yeah, we got here last night, so checked into our Airbnb and did a little shop in Hyperdino and had a little breakfast this morning, and that's all we've done so far. So nothing's been missed, but yeah, I'll take you guys along with me to see some dolphins. Fingers crossed. They don't promise you don't always get to see dolphins, but fingers crossed we get to see some dolphins.
Muy bienvenidos a bordo del Felipe. Mi nombre es Canary y voy a hacer
So we've made our way to the top deck. It is super bumpy, but it's fine. And the captain and one of the guys are over here looking for the dolphins.
a darse un chapuzón, hacer snorkel, a pescar, a pasar la tarde o incluso a ver el atardecer. Les voy a decir una cosa, ya que si bajan a verlo, pues
Oh my god, yeah! I see him, I see him! Wow!
into their houses, and that's due to all the gases that are being emitted during and after the eruption. And these gases are toxic and you can't smell them. So to their homes about 3 months ago, but now slowly.
Come back and had a little rest after our dolphin excursion, which was amazing. We have done that once before, me and mum, but not Pete. But we saw the dolphins so much better this time. It was honestly incredible. They got so close to the boat. They were huge. It was so good. I absolutely loved it. And I don't know how much I said about ocean explorers, but they basically are a more ethical way to see the wildlife here in La Palma, because they don't use like food to entice the dolphins, and they don't use sonos to put in the water either to try and find them. So it's like a true, you are trying to like safari hunt them down basically to see them, and we got to, and it was awesome. We're gonna go for a little exploration around the town of Los Llanos now. There apparently is a bit of a festival going on, but it didn't really look like much when we walked by, and I can't hear anything, so I'm interested to see what is actually going on down there. But we're just going to have a little exploration and go get some food. We're not like super hungry yet. We did have quite a big lunch. We had like this gorgeous fish lunch on the water. It was so gorgeous. So yeah, we're going to go out and try and find a little wander around, maybe something to eat.
A ver, aquí también, vamos a cantar, venga, animo, vamos. Ana Belina, vamos, Ana Belina. Vamos, Maya. Venga, a bailar, venga, va, pim, pim. 1, 2, 3, 4, va, pim, pim. Otra vez, 1, 2, 3, 4. Vamos, juntámoslo.
Los Llanos, or were we just tired?
We're trying Caldera.
That's insane.
Canary.
That's insane.
Like in a good way?
So good.
Do we need 3?
Maybe.
Okay. What even is this?
Tastes like cream and caramel.
Oh my god, that's amazing.
Yeah.
Mummy.
Yeah, get number 2.
Welcome to day 2 in La Palma. It is 10 a.m. and we are going to a little cafe brunch spot called Frida's, which we haven't been to before, but it's like a cafe brunch spot. So coffees, pancakes. I don't know what's like a typical La Palma breakfast, but I think this is just more a typical brunch spot, like avocado and eggs and stuff, rather than anything like typical of the island. But I'm sure they'll do a cafe con leche e leche, which was what Mum wants. If not, we'll have to go to the square and get you one. And you can just have a different coffee here. But yeah, looking forward to this. So breakfast was a bit of a, well actually we had a very nice breakfast in the end, but we ended up going to the little cafe in the square we like because the Frida's place didn't do anything that it says it did online. But life goes on. We're now at the cutest little park, which has like mosaics and stuff, so we're gonna have a little wander around. Exhibition is still in Madrid, but you can see like a little bit of the La Palma history in this. I don't know what the museum's called. I'll pop it on the screen or down below or something.
That's the theme here. They are.
So we are currently in a tapas restaurant. I'm not sure what it's called, but I'm going to show you when I get out because everything that has touched my mouth has been heaven so far. It's been so good. So I'll get the name when we get out because chef's kiss. Good morning everyone, it's day 3 in La Palma and we are heading to this market called, I'm gonna leave it here and in the I'm doing the chapters so you'll see it as the name of the chapter as well. I always forget what it's called. I mean I know what it's called but I don't know exactly how to say it, so I'm not going to. But we are heading there. Basically they have crafts from all over the island. I'm gonna get Pete his first ever sugarcane drink, and they also do this the most amazing glass blowing that I've ever seen. I've got an amazing vase at home that I managed to get home in my hand luggage from here last time, and I'm probably gonna do the same again if I see one I like. So yeah, I'll take you around the market with us. Here's the bananas growing, the ones that weren't destroyed by the volcano because the volcano is just on the other side of here. Yeah, let's go. The market on, I still those. In the market that we my eggs. We do, should we get that home?
Ja, also ich finde das sind solche Kastanien.
Ja,
that is the end of part 1 of the vlog. We've just got back from dinner in Tazacorte, which was lovely, and we're gonna go to sleep because tomorrow we are heading up to see my uncle, my mum's uncle, second uncle, great uncle, I don't know what you call them, up where my mum grew up. So I'm gonna take you to where my mum grew up in part 2. If you already watched my first La Palma vlog and you're returning from that, then you already saw a little bit of it, but I'm gonna try and show you a little bit more this time. Remember to film and stuff and show you where my mum grew up. So if you're watching this in real time, this is Monday, hi guys, and the next part will be up 6 PM on Wednesday, so I'll catch you then. Hope you enjoyed the vlog, guys.